12 minus 4 divided by 2 times 3. Most people get this wrongly by starting from this subtraction followed by division and multiplication. So if you start from here, 12 minus 4 is going to give you what? 8. Divide by what? 2 times 3. So when you do this division before this multiplication, you're going to get it wrongly. So 8 divided by 2, this is going to give us 4 times 3, which is equals to what? 12. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, this P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M is multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Alright? And we are solving with this rule from left to right. Okay? So if we solve this, you have 12 minus 4 divided by 2 times 3. What is the correct way of solving this? First of all, we have to do this division because since we are solving from left to right, divisions have equal priority than addition and subtraction. So we have to do this followed by multiplication then subtraction. Alright? So we have our 12 minus, I want to show you a very different method of solving this. You can rewrite this 4 over 2 as a fraction way, in fraction method, like 4 over 2 times 3. Alright? Now, what we need to do is to multiply this. If we multiply this now, we are going to have 12. 4 times 3 is going to give us 12. I put a minus sign here. 12, okay? Over 2. Alright? So now we have arrived in a fraction form, okay? So let's put over 1 here to make the fraction complete. So in this place, we are going to use butterfly method to solve this, okay? So if we solve this like this, we draw the first wing of the butterfly like this. Alright? Draw the second wing of the butterfly. So let's put the antenna. This is the eyes of the butterfly. So put the body of the butterfly, which is the multiplication sign here. So now we have 1 times 2, 1 times 12 is going to give us 12. Okay? 1 times 12, we're going to have 12. 2 times 12, this is going to give us 24. Alright? Don't forget that we are subtracting, so we'll put our minus sign. 1 times 2 is going to give us 2. So what we have here is 12, 24 minus 12 over what? 2. Right? So 24 minus 12, this is going to give us 12 over this 2. Now 2 divided by 12, 2 into this is 1, 2 into this 12, this is going to give us 6. So our final answer is what? 6. This is our final answer. So the final answer to this question is 6. So our final answer is 6. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, share this video so that the algorithm can push the video to more people. Thank you for watching.